Well, hello friends. Here's a short video about our Set Power FC20 refrigerator or freezer. It'll do either one, but not both at the same time. It's just a small 21 quart fridge freezer we use in the vehicle when we're out on the trails, and then we've got a bigger one we have in the camper. After about a year or so, we started having some issues where it just quit on us, and when you try to make it come on, the lights would come on, then they'd go out. Set Power had me take it apart and take some pictures of the connections and verify that everything was connected and nothing had come loose. Okay, so I left it apart because I wasn't sure what you wanted me to do, but here I'm plugging it in. You can see it goes to -88, light goes out, no responses on the buttons. Again, power, -88, max eco, light goes out, no response. So this arrived today. So after going back and forth with Set Power on the issues that I was having, they had me send it back to them. And once they received it, they turned around and sent me another one here. So we're going to open this up and see if it's working. So there she is. It's a different model than what I had, or a newer version of it. I don't know which. Might be an older version. I don't know. I like the control panel a lot better than the one I had. It's come down from 87 degrees to 79 in just a few minutes. And there's the inside. So it's the small one that we keep in the vehicle. I got the bigger one out in the trailer. But kudos for Set Power for their support and trying to troubleshoot the one I had and then replacing it for me. So far I'm pleased with the Set Power equipment. I mean, you're going to have trouble with any kind of electronics or not. But Set Power has been good, and the large one that we have in the camper is also a Set Power. Had it for almost a year now without any issues. Knock on wood. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them below, and I'll do my best to try to get some answers. As always, I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope this is informative about the Set Power unit. And yep, make sure and subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications of new videos.